Welcome back to the farm. Today we're going over the easiest top 3 flowers that we grow here at the farm. If you have something you'd like to add to the list, please put it in the comments below and help out the farm by subscribing and liking the video. Number 3 on our list is dahlias. Now, if you live in a colder zone, this may not make your list, but for us, we're in zone 9B. So when we plant the tuber, we can leave it there year round. Our rain isn't a lot, so we don't even have to worry about the tuber rotting out during the winter. This may not make your list if you do live in a colder or wetter zone, because you may have to dig up the tuber to get it to come back every year. Number 2 on our list are sunflowers. They're super easy to grow. Put the seed in the ground, cover it with dirt, keep it watered, it'll sprout. It takes about 60 to 90 days, depending on the sunflower, to get to maturity, to get to the flower. The reason it's number 2 is you do have to replant several times, so it's not one and done to have flowers all season long. And we do keep these stems in the ground as we keep replanting. I'll put that video up over here if you're interested in how we do that. It saves you some time and puts sunflowers at number 2 on our list. And number 1 on our list are zinnias. You can just throw this seed on the ground, it'll sprout, and you'll get beautiful plants with lots of flowers. One word of caution, a lot of them are susceptible to powdery mildew, so just make sure before you plant the seed that you're out of the rainy season and not near an area where you get lots of moisture in the air. This is Lisianthus. It will never make this list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the farm. Live life in full bloom.